You feel the tightness build up in your neck, your shoulder, and your upper back? Let's release that. If you spend a lot of time at the computer or the phone, this is especially for you. Join me into static poses that will leave you feel de-stressed and moving with ease. Take a comfortable seat. And let's start by setting an intention to release tension. So if you're agreeable with closing your eyes, do so. If not, you can peek through them a little bit or keep them open. Your choice here. So gently notice your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Now a quick little intention to release all that tension. Now you can open your eyes, of course. Gentle neck tilt. Just bring your ear close to your shoulder here. Inhale up, exhale, other side, keep breathing, relax the shoulders. So maybe bringing your hands a little lower than your lap if that is an option for you. Maybe looking up. If it hurts a little bit, just come out of it. Maybe you went too far in the position. If you're not sure, come out of it too. Only if it feels nice, we want to keep that going. So nice slow rotation. Very slow, very tiny golf ball here. Tiny golf ball size circle. Both ways. We go very slow and we don't go to our full range of motion there. Keep your movement very tiny. Notice anything that is a little tight or pulling or aggravating your tension headache here. Looking side to side, gentle. We don't force. We don't force. We're just noticing right now what's going on. So yeah, no, yes. Gentle, gentle. And next time your chin goes towards your chest, leave it there. Just enjoy that. Feel it a little bit on the shoulder. Shoulder are just relaxed here. And start gliding your chin towards one of your shoulder and then to the other. Just stay there for a little bit. Let's go other side again. And last one here. Okay. Loosen that up. Nice little shoulder roll here. Both sides. Just a few little roll. Now shrug your shoulder like close to your ears and bring them back. If you want, tap your shoulders so they go back. And exhale that down. Let them drop on their own. Notice how much more room you have. So again, shrug, shrug. Keep your shoulders back, slide back, and let them drop down. Shrug, move back, come down. Again, nice little rotation of the neck. Bring your chin close to your chest. Look side to side. If you keep having those tension headache, go see your doctor. Something may be different than just your using your computer or your cell phone too much. Right now, we're just doing small little organic movement. And we're gonna just open one leg here. Oh, nice. Nice. Just open. Maybe the knee is bent. You have a little pillow there. It's all good. And let's go look over there to the side. Maybe bring your hand. Touch your thigh. Nice straight back. Neck is very relaxed. Shoulders are pulled down. Make even more room here. And if you know it's too aggravating, just looking that way, just look where it's comfortable for your neck right now. We're not working the neck. We want it just to relax before we address it again. Other side. Other side. Straight, straight. No, shoulder, I'm pressing my hand down and so I can lift my neck out of my shoulder. Oh, and then we can go that way too. So inhale straight and slowly exhale. Round your back, chin towards your chest. Round, round, belly button in, and nice slow inhale forward. Feel the nice stretch. Don't go further than it feels nice. When it doesn't feel nice no more, we don't add a little extra. You're just gonna hurt yourself. So, little fingers are gonna, especially if you're typing with them a lot, little wrist. And open that up. You can open that down too. Keep the motion small. And back down. Maybe you're just here and that's cool. And let's reverse that and just give it a very slow, very small motion there. And we're just gonna point with our finger. Open the chest a little bit, but we don't want our hand much higher than our shoulders right here. Ooh, nice. Let's open on the other side. Oh, place your hand in the back of your folded thigh. Maybe reach around, sit tall, press into your hand so your neck can come out your shoulders. Knee towards the mat, it doesn't have to touch. Maybe look around, see where your neck wants to be comfortable. That's where you're gonna keep it. And let's go look what's over there. Sit straight. Neck is where it's comfortable. Oh, enjoy the stretch here. Oh, nice inhale. Maybe the arm goes up, maybe not. Exhale, round, 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 around your back, all over your tummy. Inhale, go towards the elongate leg and foot. Let your lower back rest here and let your neck be very, very gentle, very soft, very soft. Just like stretch your spine in that little circle. Let's take another inhale straight. Exhale around your back. Oh, and keep breathing, of course. Of course you don't hold your breath. Oh, my. Let's open up a little bit. Wave at the sky. Move your fingers, your wrists. A little rotation like this, that's always nice. Like that door handle, you open the door. You want that motion here. This part of your arm. Other side, oh la la. Maybe you don't want to bring your arm up this time, so it's right on your hip. Fly, go away. And hello, hello. Little organic motion with whatever is a little stiff in your arm, your hand. Little door handle. Oh my. Let's bring both legs forward here. Nice soft bend in the knee, maybe it's a big one. Inhale tall and exhale again in your ragdoll here. Just ragdoll. Now want your shoulder to feel like heavy towards the mat and your neck very relaxed. Let it go where gravity takes it. But keep bringing your elbows towards the mat. Make more room here for your neck. And inhale back up. And keep breathing, of course. Want to go on your back just for a little bit? Elbows, oops. I have to move that again. Yes. Did I turn it off by accident? No. Oh, sun in my eyes. I can't stay like that too long here. Okay, just lay down. Little space between the feet. Now your arms, I want you to bring them a little bit away from the body and start inhaling with your fingertip towards your heels. Away from your head, away from your shoulders, just like you're walking this way with your hands. And then exhale, forearms down, elbow, relax the upper arm, relax shoulder. Lots of room in the neck. Now take your chin and bring it just a smudge closer to your chest. And then just bring your head side to side. Make sure it's relaxed. Once that is situated, bring your heel closer to your bum by folding your knees. And little side to side. You can keep that in motion or stay with a nice static pose here. With your knee to one side, your other arm the other side, and again your neck's gonna be where it's comfortable for you. Right now, try it like where your knees are bent. See how that goes. If not, move it where it's better. Other side. Ooh, so just check. Keep it easy or give it a little extra nudge if it needs to. Come back. Nice inhale. Exhale. Bring your knee towards your chest. Ugh, ugh, ugh. You did great. You did great. And come back. You can turn to the side or roll back. Seated here. Oh. Get situated. Oh. Do you notice a little difference here? It's not working good. Let me know in the comment down below how this session worked for you. If you enjoyed it, please share it with friends, family members who you think that could use a little release up here. Thank you so much for watching. I am Anne Marie with That's Life Yoga. Namaste.